Did you know that WhatsApp has over 2 billion users worldwide? That's a staggering number. This massive user base represents a huge opportunity for marketers. WhatsApp is more than just a messaging app, it's a powerful marketing tool. Businesses can leverage it to connect with customers in real time. Traditional marketing methods are becoming less effective. WhatsApp offers a direct line to a massive and engaged audience. Traditional methods can't compete with WhatsApp's immediacy and personal touch. Are you more likely to open a marketing email or a message from a friend? The answer is clear. Exactly. This essay will explore why WhatsApp is revolutionizing marketing. Traditional marketing methods like print ads and television commercials are losing their effectiveness. They are expensive and often ignored. Consumers, especially younger generations, are bombarded with advertising. They've learned to tune it out. Marketing emails get lost in crowded inboxes. People are tired of being sold to. They crave authenticity and connection. This is where WhatsApp comes in. WhatsApp provides a unique opportunity for businesses to connect with customers on a personal level, creating a more intimate and direct line of communication. Imagine delivering your marketing message directly to your customer's pocket, ensuring it reaches them wherever they are. That's the power of WhatsApp, a tool that has revolutionized how businesses interact with their audience. With WhatsApp, you can send instant messages that are received and read almost immediately. You can share updates and promotions in real time, keeping your customers informed and engaged. Engagement rates for WhatsApp messages are significantly higher than emails, making it a more effective communication channel. People are more likely to read and respond to messages on WhatsApp, leading to more meaningful interactions. Moreover, WhatsApp business accounts offer tools specifically designed for businesses, enhancing your communication strategy. You can create a business profile that showcases your brand and provides essential information. You can set up automated greetings to welcome new customers and provide instant responses. You can even use WhatsApp to provide customer support, ensuring your customers receive timely and efficient assistance. Section 4. A picture speaks 1,000 sales, a case study. Let's look at a real-world example. A clothing retailer used WhatsApp to launch a new line of sneakers. They created an exclusive WhatsApp group and invited their most loyal customers to join. Group members received early access to the new shoes. They also got exclusive discounts and behind-the-scenes content. The campaign was a huge success. The sneakers sold out within hours. The retailer generated significant buzz and brand loyalty. Section 5. The future is conversing. The success of WhatsApp marketing boils down to one key factor: conversation. It's not just about sending messages, it's about creating meaningful interactions. People prefer to communicate with businesses the same way they communicate with friends and family. This personal touch makes all the difference. WhatsApp enables this conversational approach, making it easy for businesses to engage with their customers. In 2024 and beyond, embracing conversational marketing will be crucial. The landscape of digital marketing is evolving rapidly. WhatsApp is the ideal platform to make this happen. Its user-friendly interface and widespread usage make it a powerful tool. So, what are you waiting for? The future of marketing is here, and it's all about conversation. Start building relationships and driving sales with WhatsApp today. The potential is limitless. What are your thoughts on the power of WhatsApp in the marketing world? How do you see it shaping the future? Share your insights and join the conversation. Let's explore the endless possibilities together.